Welcome to Suraj YouTube channel.
Welcome to MEMOREX English class. Today we will attend the class phrases in sentences, short sentences, long memory.
Let's talk about phrases in sentences. ABC का मतलब होता है प्राथमिक ज्ञान. Speak a sentence.
He does not know the ABC of mathematics.
Abide by इसका मतलब होता है का पालन करना, के प्रति निष्ठा रखना. Speak a sentence.
You should abide by the rules and regulations of your college.
abound in का मतलब होता है प्रचुर, भरपूर होना. Speak a sentence.
Animals abound in this forest.
Speak another sentence.
Wheat abounds in the Punjab.
above all का मतलब होता है सर्वोपरि, खास करके, सबसे पहले. Speak a sentence.
He is a poet, a playwright, an artist, and above all, a news reporter.
Speak another sentence.
Above all, you must be independent.
Absent from का मतलब है अनुपस्थित होना. Speak a sentence.
Yesterday, I was absent from school.
Speak another sentence.
He was absent from the chemistry class.
Abstain from का मतलब होता है निवृत्त होना, अलग रहना. Speak a sentence.
He has abstained from wine.
Speak another sentence.
I abstain from alcohol.
Access to का मतलब होता है किसी स्थान पर अनायास प्रवेश करने का अधिकार. Speak a sentence.
You have every access to my house.
Speak another sentence.
You have no access to my office.
Accompany with का मतलब होता है के साथ चलना या जाना. Speak a sentence.
I will accompany with you during your journey to Puri.
Accomplished in का मतलब होता है विद्या संपन्न, प्रवीण. Speak a sentence.
He is accomplished in music and dance.
According to का मतलब होता है के अनुसार. Speak a sentence.
You should work according to your father's advice.
अगर ये वीडियो आप सभी को पसंद आया, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर.